here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2006 Georgie Boy Pursuit 3500 DS double slide Class A gas motorhome. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. I do want to apologize ahead of time. It is a windy day. We're in February, and this is the only day I could get with the owner to do the video, so I do apologize for the wind. This is a second owner coach. Current owner has owned it since around 2008. We are in 2019 right now. Definitely 1 through 10, 10 being the best as far as condition. I would rate this definitely a 9. And I'll show you a little area on the windshield that the weather stripping. Whoever did the sealing on the weather stripping didn't do that good of a job, but anyway, it's a clean coach. Give you an idea of the floor plan here. Okay, start off in the first slide out here. First slide out is going to be a super slide. It's going to be at least 10 foot long and about 2.5 foot deep. Accommodates the hide-a-bed, queen hide-a-bed sleeper sofa. Show the fabrics off there. All the fabrics are in excellent condition. I believe this coach is a non-smoker. All the fabrics in the inside definitely showroom condition. And the colors are going to be tans, dark browns, maybe some copper color. Do have day-night shades all throughout. Show off those window treatments here. When I get some, here we go, some good lighting there. And your cabinets are going to be, of course, solid wood drawer fronts, and it's probably going to be like a light oak finish with a nickel finish on the hardware. Okay, still in the slide out. Boot dinette breaks down into a bed. Break this down and just collapses down and rest along here, and it makes into a decent sized bed, definitely for one grown adult. Definitely fit 2 kiddos on there. Nice storage up underneath each of the booths. And the fabrics, again, excellent condition. The owner had something sitting here, so. And in the kitchen area here, you have a double bowl stainless steel sink. Coach is a little dirty. The owners have not had a chance to detail it. Like I said, we're in February right now, and it's just been too cold to do anything, so the coach is dirty. Nice microwave. I do also check to make sure the digital readout works. This is a 50 amp coach. We've got the generator on right now, which is a 5500 Onan Marquis gasoline generator. 3-burner gas cooktop. Front one's usually a high output. Nice oven. Refrigerator, I believe, is going to be an 8 cubic foot double door refrigerator. It's automatic, gas and electric. Flip the switch on here. A couple hours later, you're ready to go, as long as you have it on automatic. Whether you're boondocking or you're hooked up to shore power, you'll have a cold fridge within a couple hours. A Dometic. Show off that Dometic badge right there. As far as I know, and the owner knows, everything is in operating order. Show off this little pantry area here. Try to show off the pantry space on these coaches. And they are fully adjustable shelves. Okay. Going back into the master bedroom area. This is going to be your second slide out. Closet. All the way to the back corner of the bed. That's one big super slide also. I definitely would say it's at least 10, maybe 12 foot long. And again, about 2.5 foot deep. Lots of closets. I did check this coach for water damage inside and out. Checked the inside corners for any wrinkling in the wallpaper. Did not find any issues. Nice vanity area. Not sure where the chair is. Usually there's a little chair that looks like that's missing. Another closet, huge closet. I do check again all the closets, or any wrinkling in the wallpaper. Did not find any issues. And of course in the corners, where the TV would usually go, this I believe it was probably an old box TV, the old-time TVs, but anyway, it was taken out. You can easily put a flat screen in there, but in that back corner I take my hand and check all the corners for any wrinkling in the wallboard, which is usually a sign of water damage, which I did not find on this coach. And I do check around the slide outs. I kind of rub my hand around the corners of the slide outs there, and do check for dark staining. It's a little dark in this back corner, but I did not find any issues with dark staining around the corners of the slide outs. Okay, queen bed lifts up, lots of storage up underneath. And this coach is equipped with dual ACs and dual 25,000 BTU furnaces. So this has a combined furnace BTU of 50,000 BTUs. Usually on a coach like this, you'll probably find a 35, maybe 40 BTU furnaces. So dual 25 BTU furnaces. Alright, speed up this video a little bit. The bathroom area here, glass enclosed shower. That is a plastic toilet. 2006, that was pretty common. Nice medicine cabinet, not just a mirror. Glass enclosed shower, and shower's in great condition. Usually you'll find like old caulking seams and really crummy caulking jobs, but this coach it's beautiful. I do want to point out the carpet. It's a little dirty on the carpet. Again, the owners have not had a chance to detail it, but all your carpet is all still plush. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, that's sunlight. Okay, coming through from the window there. There we go. So, there. Ducted AC, ducted heat, and going through the hallway here, going back into the living quarters here. Show off that huge super slide. I do check the ceilings. This is a carpeted ceiling. I do check for stains. Did not find any issues. There's one of your AC units. I believe it's going to be dual 13,500 BTU AC units. So dual 25,000 BTU furnaces, and then dual, I'll just say 13,500 BTU ACs. This might be a 15,000, and then a 13.5 in the rear. You want to point out a nice little swivel chair. Zoom in on the fabrics. Again, all the fabrics excellent condition on the inside of this coach. Driver and passenger seat, they're definitely for the age and for the mileage on this coach. The seats are in excellent condition. The mileage is extremely low, 7,755 miles, which I'll show you on the odometer. And of course the seats, obviously they spin around. Nice little squeak in the driver's seat. It can be a little greased up. Okay, 7,755 miles are currently on this coach. Extremely low mileage. There's your Ford badge. I believe it's going to be a 305 horsepower Triton V-10, 6.8 liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, cruise control. And on your dash here, these are going to be some of your gauges. You're going to have okay, on the hours on the generator, currently 76 hours on that 5500 Onan Marquis gasoline generator. There's your gen start button right there. These are all your, obviously your switches for dash fan, and there we go. Everything's in operating order. It's definitely emergency start. Ties your house battery and chassis battery together in case you've got a cold battery. Map light. You do have a map light on each side. Pilot and co-pilot seat heated. Remote mirrors right here, easy to figure out. And the headlight switches. This is going to be your 4-point leveling system. There you go. There's a 4-point leveling, and your stereo, easy to figure out. And there's your backup camera or monitor. let us turn off this engine. Oh, I do want to point out, it is the old TV up here, but anyway, you could easily upgrade that to a flat screen. Nice storage on each side. I do want to point out there's a little switching right there in the corner for the co-pilot seat for the map light. And center console, and again your carpet. Zoom in on that a little bit. There you go. And I do want to point out, let's turn off this generator right there, so I'm not yelling when I get outside. Okay, I do want to point out this is going to be your monitor panel for your tanks. I'm not sure what your holding tanks are, but your LP tank, anyway, and then these are going to be your switches for your 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater, whether you're boondocking or you're dry camping, or I'm sorry, hooked up to shore power. You have hot water within 15 minutes, and it's going to be your water pump right there. Okay, go outside here. It does have a double power step. I did turn off the generator, but anyway, it's a double power step. Back up here, show you the color scheme on the outside. This is going to be a high gloss finish. It might even be a gel coat. I forgot what they're calling it. But anyway, it does have the 14-foot awning. Looks like it's in good condition, other than the fact it's dirty. I did check this coach for delamination. Did not find any issues. And that's that bubbling you get on the outside. I kind of shoot down the side. As long as it's a nice sunny day, those bubbles seem to show. So I did not find any issues. There's that 14-foot awning, manual awning, and it is dirty, but there's no tears or any signs of wear and aging. Show off the side here. Gosh, it's really in great condition. Decals usually on a coach to this age, usually they're curled up or cracking or something, and there's no sign at all. There's one of your furnaces. Show off the skirting, all the skirtings, a little dirty, but it's all just dirt. Okay, just dirt. I really didn't find any scratches on this coach. Back up here, I do want to point out the tires are 2005. When the owner bought it in 2008, he never changed out the tires. Anyway, but they're due. Anybody knows about tires? They're 2005. It's 2019 now, but they are in excellent condition. You do have slide-out awnings over the slide-out, which is nice. And again, oh, show off that Georgie Boy Pursuit badge. See if I can get a good angle on those decals. This coach has been stored up underneath like lean-to style storage, so it is protected from the elements. Nice rear molded fiberglass cap, backup camera, ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof to service your dual AC units. You do have a nice protector in the back here for rock debris. 5,000 pound towing capability on this coach. Back up here, kind of show the back side here. Onan generators right here, compartment. I'm trying to speed up my videos, they're getting a little long. It's 5500 Onan Marquise generator. There's your 50 amp service power cord there. Going to be your waterworks area here. You do have, oh, I do want to point out you have lights in every single compartment. This is going to be where you hook up your water, your dump valves, and these have, this coach is equipped with heated holding tanks, so you can go into colder weather, which is definitely nice. More storage up underneath there. Again, this is all just dirt. Yeah, it's just dirt. So, and that's pretty much going to be like a painted skirt. This area here, that looks like it's maybe a copper color. That is paint, and yeah, all the rest are decals. There we go. We can show off those decals there. There's your water heater, 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. There's your second furnace there. And your awnings. I do check for stress cracks around the slide outs. Did not find any issues up in the top corners, and then down at the bottom. I do check for stress cracks. Did not find any issues, and of course, Going down the side here, look for any bubbling. Did not find any issues. This is a clean coach. This does have a driver's door. That may have been an option on the Pursuit line. I know a lot of coaches that was an option to have a driver's door. 19.5 tires, and they are Goodyears, but they are about due. Here's your Triton V-10 badge right there. Here's that area I was talking about on that windshield. It's just the owner said it was like that when he bought it, and just somebody didn't do a very good job sealing that right there. Anyway, I'm pretty picky when I do my walk arounds. Show off that front end here. Definitely 1 through 10 being the best as far as condition. I think a dealer would agree. This is definitely a 9. Some dealers might even say it's a 10. It's a beautiful coach. You know what? While I still have time, I've got a minute or two left. I'm going to show you some of the storage. Right side here, it's almost like a pass-through storage. So I'll try to show all that I can. But here's one of your storage areas, compartment areas. And I don't know if I can get it. The lighting is kind of poor back in there, but it's almost a pass-through storage. And more storage there. And this is going to be your LP tank right here, and I don't know how many pound it is, but it's huge. I'm going to show it. See? It's bigger than a 40 pounder, but I would say definitely probably the largest LP tank you're going to get on a gasoline coach. Yeah, back up here, kind of show off that front side. It's a clean coach. If you want to come and see the camper or the coach, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.